In the enchanting village of Harmony, kindness wasn't just a nice thing, it was magical. Every child in Harmony received a small glowing stone on their 8th birthday. These stones, called Kindling Stones, reflected their acts of kindness. The brighter a stone, the more magical the child's life became. But something strange began to happen. The kindling stones started to dim, one by one. The great tree of Harmony, the magical tree that lit up the entire village, was wilting. Its leaves were dull, and its glow was fading. The village was in despair, unsure of what to do. Among the villagers were 3 best friends: Gigi, a bold and adventurous girl who loved exploring the unknown; Finn, a quiet but clever inventor who always thought outside the box; Winnie, a brave animal whisperer who could talk to any creature. One day, the trio noticed their kindling stones barely glimmering. "What's happening to our stones?" Finn asked, his voice trembling, determined to find answers. They went to the elder of the village, Granny Marlowe, who guarded the secrets of Harmony. Granny Marlowe sighed, her face lined with worry. "The great tree of Harmony is connected to our kindness. If it fades completely, our village will lose its magic forever. Is there a way to save it?" Winnie asked. Granny Marlowe nodded. "There is, but it's not easy. You must go on a kindness quest, helping those in need. Only through true acts of kindness can the tree's magic be restored." The quest begins. The friends set off early the next morning, carrying nothing but their dim kindling stones and a map. The first stop was Whispering Woods, where they heard faint cries. They found a young fox stuck in a thorn bush. Winnie knelt down and spoke softly to the frightened animal. With Finn's invention of a small cutting tool, they freed the fox. Its tail wagged happily, and Winnie's stone flickered brighter. "Helping feels good," Gigi said with a smile. Building bridges next, the map led them to Riverbend, where an elderly man named Mr. Tobbins was stranded on one side of a broken bridge. He couldn't cross to deliver supplies to his family. "Let's fix this," Finn declared. Using fallen logs and Winnie's animal friends to carry supplies, they built a sturdy bridge. When Mr. Tobbins hugged them with tears of gratitude, Finn's stone gleamed brightly. The final stop on the map was Crescent Hollow, where villagers were quarreling over a broken well. Gigi stepped forward. Instead of arguing, "Let's fix this together," she rallied the villagers, encouraging teamwork. Winnie coaxed nearby birds to carry water temporarily, while Finn used his tools to repair the well. When fresh water gushed out, the villagers cheered, and Gigi's stone shone brilliantly. The final challenge. As the trio returned home, they noticed the great tree glowing faintly. But before they reached the village, they encountered a mysterious traveler sitting by the roadside. His clothes were tattered, and his face was hardened with bitterness. "Leave me be," he growled. Gigi, Finn, and Winnie exchanged glances. "He needs kindness the most," Winnie whispered. They offered him food, a blanket, and even fixed his broken cart. At first, he refused, but as the friends persisted with their kindness, his eyes softened. "Why are you helping me?" he asked. "Because everyone deserves kindness," Gigi said with a warm smile. The traveler's expression melted into a smile, and he whispered, "Thank you." As he walked away, the trio's kindling stones burst into radiant light, brighter than ever before. When the friends returned to Harmony, the great tree of Harmony was glowing brilliantly, its magic restored. The village rejoiced, and Granny Marlowe beamed. "You've reminded us all of the power of kindness." From that day on, Harmony flourished brighter than ever.